Now you can see the dramatic change in the picture and the whole scenery has changed. Hey friends, today I am going to show you this glow painting. So friends, for making this type of painting you need some imagination. So at first you think about the picture what you are going to paint. That means when it will glow in the night, it should match the original painting. That means the daytime painting and the nighttime painting should match each other. They should not look different at the same time. After that you draw that painting in your board. So I have made this board, canvas board of my own. If you want to know how I have made this canvas board, so link is given in the description box of that video, please check it. And I have also started a new series to learn art from the very beginning, from the pencil shading to oil color. If you want to learn art, you can check the link in the description link. So in this picture you can see that I have used not only the brushes but also my fingertips to bring a perfect texture in the mountain rocks. I am using oil color to color it. Now you can see that the basic or the primary color in the background I have completed. After that I have painted this mermaid. Now you can see that I have drawn a moon here and I have pasted the Shankar Bhagwan paper cutting over it, because I will apply another layer of painting or coat or glow paint over it, and I don't want that it go inside the moon. So I have pasted it. After that I will peel it out after applying this coat. So at first I am making the mixture of that glow paint. So I have brought it online. If you want that, you comment in my video. I will tell you from where you can buy it. So here you can see that I have taken the glow paint pigment and I have used the fabric color medium to dilute it, and I have wasted many time and money also to find out which medium is perfect for this pigments. At last I found that this fabric color medium is perfect for making this pigment. Now you can see that I am making this cloud with this glow paint pigment and applying it where it is necessary. If you find any problem in doing this glow paint, just comment, I will surely help you. The glow paint are available in many colors, but the green and the blue color last more. The green and the blue color lasts more than 5 to 6 hours, but the other color, orange or any other color, they don't last for, they just last for 1 or 2 hours. Some last for only 10 to 5 minutes. So I am using mostly this green and blue color pigment here. In the daytime, both the pigments look white. Now I am putting some finishing touch in my mermaid. You can see that I have also made the waves, and here I am making a skull to give a fantasy look, and also putting the finishing touch in all over the painting to look more beautiful. And now you can see my mermaid is complete and it is looking beautiful. My painting is almost complete. Now I will show you how to frame it, how to frame the picture. So for framing this, you need this type of framing bead, easily available in the glass houses. I brought two 9.5 feet long frame bead, each of 100 rupees. Now I will tell you how to cut the corner of this framing bead very easily at home. So at first you take a piece of wood and take the 45-degree angle scale and draw a 45-degree angle in that wood and cut it out. Now hold the framing bead tightly over that piece of wood and you can mark over it and cut it with a cutter. And in the corner you can also do like this, place the another framing border over the another where you have cut it in 45-degree and give a mark. After that you cut it with a cutter. Now repeat it like this in all the corners. After that you can fix it with small size nails. Now you can see that my framing is complete, but if you want to put glass on it, you can see that there is a corner shape where the glass will fit. So see, I have left this part loose, so I will slide a glass through it, and after that I will fix it with nail. You can also do like that. and the glass will be packed in this gap. Now here you can see the full and final picture here. You can see there are many faces hidden in this picture. Just find out how many faces you can see in this picture and just comment in the comment box. But the main magic begins here. Now you can see the dramatic change in the picture and the whole scenery has changed. In the daytime or in the light you can see something else, and in the night you can see this Shivji Bhagwan. Jai Shiv Shankar. This is the magic of this painting. The length of the picture is 3 feet and the height is 2 feet long. If you like my painting, please like, share and comment, and please write what you feel about this painting. Thank you for watching my painting.